Hey, welcome back. Today we have a good one for you. We're doing a creamy Cajun pasta on the Blackstone. At least I hope it's going to be a good one. I ain't never made this, ain't never tried this. I tasted it one time at a restaurant up there in Pigeon Forge. Maybe you've heard of it, downtown Flavortown. I ain't going to attempt to recreate that one, but I'm going to attempt to create my own, if you will. That's a great thing about recipes. You can make them your own. You can make them however you want to make them. So I went to the store and I'm like, let's see. If I get this and get this and get this and do this and do that, maybe it'll all come together. So we're going to find out together. We're going to see if this all works. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but we'll find out. But if you're looking for any other recipes we may have done, there's a recipe play link down in the description. Look there, click on it. You can't miss it. It's down there. Also down there is a link tree link. If you want to check out any of the social media we're on, our TikToks, our other YouTube channels, all the great stuff we got going on. It's down there. So with that being said, go check all that out after this video. And while you're down there, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and we'd love to have you here with us. And hit that like button, hit that thumbs up. It really means a lot. It really helps the channel out doing little things like that. So let's fire this thing up. Let's go to some groceries. Let's get to cooking. Let's get this thing hot and ready so we can cook us some creamy Cajun pasta. Now, there again, I'm going to use these three, kind of my heat management, kind of griddle management kind of system. And I do use this side a good bit when I'm not recording, but hey, this is what I'm doing right now. So let's turn this thing down to, let's go all the way to low with it. If we need to adjust, hey, we will. Let's talk about these groceries, y'all. Of course, if you're going to make pasta, you have to have pasta. So I got 1 pound here of the panini noodles, already boiled up, al dente, ready to go. They are cold, so we're going to heat them back up, not a big deal. I got 1 pound of small, deveined, peeled shrimp, all that good stuff. I'm going to use this Zatarain's Cajun style smoked sausage. I got 2 packs of it. So we're going to cut that up and use some of that. I got some diced up bell peppers here. We got some green onions here. Got some cream cheese and some heavy whipping cream. We're going to try to kind of make this kind of a creamy flavor. We're going to season everything with some Bayou blend. And of course I have some red pepper flakes right here too. Let's see, over here, back here, we have some bread right here, some French bread we've cut up, and some homemade garlic butter that we're going to toast up. And it's going to be so good. Let's get to cooking. Now, while our griddle's heating up, now's a great time to cut that sausage up and get everything ready. All right, let's get our sausage cut up, y'all. Now, I think what I'm going to do is just kind of cut it into pieces like this, and then I'm going to go back and kind of dice them up, more or less. Not really pretty pieces, just kind of cut up. So I'm gonna go through and cut all this up like this, and we'll see how it turns out. All right, y'all, there you go. They're all cut up. If you want smaller pieces, bigger pieces, however, you cut it like you want to cut it. And I honestly don't know if I'm gonna use all of this sausage or not. But we got enough. If I want to use it all, I could. So I'm just gonna put it in this dish over here now for right now, and we'll get them onions cut up. Let's cut these green onions up. I'm gonna use them more as a garnish than anything. Just kind of make them look pretty in the end, and it will give some flavor. All right, got everything ready? Let's check on that griddle. All right, there's that white smoke. That tells us one thing. Time to get some groceries on the griddle. Let's throw down a little bit of oil. Get some oil down. Kind of spread it around. Now I feel like it's been a pretty quick cook. Let's throw down that shrimp. Some of that shrimp, we want to let it go. Sausage. Honestly, I think we can just mix all this together, cook it all together, like so. We'll just kind of separate it as we need it. Let's add some flavor. It's a Bayou blend. Get it all stirred in there. Ooh, that smells good. Smelling really good. Well, now while that's going, Let's throw these bell peppers on here and get them softened up. These are some we already had cut up from another cook. It's actually been in the refrigerator for about a day or so. That's okay. Let's hit them with some seasoning too. Get that stirred in there. Man, this griddle's looking right. You can see what I'm doing, but I sure do wish you could smell what I'm doing. Man, this griddle is smelling so good now. That andouille sausage smells so good by itself, but you add that seasoning in it with these peppers and this shrimp, oh boy. Make it one big happy family. Make it all good and happy and all cooked together. Get the flavors all together. Spread things out. I don't know, kind of looking like I might use all this sausage. Man, now this really is looking like a Cajun dish. Or maybe a Mexican, but it's not going Mexican, we're going Cajun. Oh man, this looks so good. Now I haven't tried any of this yet, but I think I'm gonna dust it just a little bit more. Let's stir that in there. I ain't gonna lie, I could probably wrap this up in a tortilla and eat it and be happy. Looking like everything's done now. I gotta try a piece of this shrimp. Oh, that's good. Perfect seasoning on it. Got a little Cajun taste to it, but it's delicious. I think it's time to add some pasta. Stir things up one more good time. Oh yeah, looking really good. Got a good char on that sausage. The shrimp's got a great color to it. The peppers are getting nice and soft now like I want them. Yep, perfect. So now I'm gonna add the pasta right on top. Dump it on there, look at that. Take and just kind of break it up. Now it's gonna kind of mix it up. Give it a good mix. Like I said, the pasta's already been cooked. We're just trying to warm it back up at this point. Oh yeah, I don't think that's too much sausage now. Might be too much pasta. So I'm just gonna spread this out, let our pasta warm up just a little bit. Oh, it's starting to come together now. It won't be long, we're gonna be eating some good Cajun food. All right, let's add some of this cream cheese to it. Now what I'm gonna do is kind of just cut it off into pieces, and drop it on there. At least I think I am. There we go. Now if you wanna go ahead and cut this up ahead of time, probably a better idea than what I'm doing. And I have let this sit out so it is good and soft already. Let's stir that up. Might need 2 blocks of cream cheese, but I don't have another block. We'll just have to make do, won't we? Let's add that heavy whipping cream to it now. And just slowly pour it in there. Just kind of mix as we go here. Because I don't know exactly how much I need. I do have 1 pint of it here. Oh yeah, starting to get a little creamy look to it now. I'm liking this, I'm liking it. Let's go a little bit more. Get it all stirred together. It's come together right nicely. I just hope it tastes as good as it smells. I don't know if I need more or not, that whipping cream. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more in there. Just a little bit. Let's get it all mixed up good here. Oh yeah, it's got a good creamy look to it now. Kind of like what I'm looking for. Not looking for a soup. Yeah, buddy, this is what I want right here. Oh yeah, this is turning out better than I thought it would. I just hope it tastes half as good as it smells. I really do, because it is smelling so good right now. So now, what I'm gonna do is just kind of slide everything over that cool zone we was talking about and toast up this garlic bread. Just slide everything over here, let it stay warm, let that cream cheese melt down just a little bit more, get it all mixed together there. That's a lot of pasta, y'all. That's a lot of food. So what I'm gonna do is take some of this homemade garlic butter right here and just kind of put it on both sides of the bread, and we're gonna toast it up. And just put it on here. There we go. Once that garlic bread gets good and toasted up on both sides, we're gonna take everything up and we're gonna eat. Now this is smelling good, y'all. That garlic butter on that bread smelling off, along with this pasta and that andouille sausage and shrimp and them peppers, that seasoning. Man, I can't wait to eat. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, buddy. Let's check this garlic toast, see if it's doing. Oh yeah, it's ready. Now grab your plate, take it up. It's made a lot more food than I realized it was gonna make. Of course, with the crowd we're feeding, we need a lot of food. Gotta make sure we get it all. Can't leave no goodness on the griddle. And there we go. Let's take it over here and finish it up. Now it's looking good so far, I promise you that. But we ain't done yet. We got to put the red pepper flakes on here, y'all. Let's sprinkle them on top, like so. Now if you want to, you can add them in while you're cooking. And let's top it off with some green onion. Give it a little color, a little pop, a little pizzazz. I don't know about you. That's a good looking plate of food right there, y'all. It really is. Would y'all just look at that right there? Man, now that right there is enough to feed an army. The garlic bread over here on the sides. Oh yeah. But that sausage got a good little char to it. That shrimp looks so good. And red pepper chips, bell peppers, and that creamy sauce. Oh, this is gonna be so good. We gotta try some, y'all. We gotta try it. Man, that really came together quick, fast, and in a hurry. Way I like supper around here. We gotta try this out, y'all. I can't wait no longer. We can talk it up all day long. That right there. The creaminess may be a little more creamy from my taste. You do you, make it creamy as you want. But it's not bad, don't get me wrong. But that andouille sausage, that shrimp, that Bayou blend seasoning, the peppers, and man, it all comes together. This is so, I gotta have another bite. So good. Yes, yes. Try the garlic bread. Oh yeah. Nothing like homemade anything. I put this down. I won't quit eating. Y'all have to give this a try. Real simple to put together. And like I said earlier, like I say in a lot of my videos, you do it the way you like it. If you want a lot of seasoning, less seasoning, however you want to do it, you do you. This is just a guideline to go by. But I'll tell you what, it ain't a bad guideline. This turned out delicious. This will be made more on a regular basis here at the Crazy Acres. So right now, I got to call everybody, let them know it's ready, because we got to get out of here. But before we do, if you're still around, I really appreciate it. If you want to help support this channel, no obligation whatsoever. There's a join button down below. We'd love to have you here, a supporter or even a member. But like I said, there's no obligation. Hitting that thumbs up, hitting the subscribe, leaving us a comment, just watching the videos truly, truly does help. So thank you for all your support, and we'll see you next time.